Good morning, everybody. I'm Syed Muhammad Ayub Shah representing Pakistan here. I really appreciate this report. It's a wonderful effort by the UNESCAP, and it will help us all to go a long way because we are all disaster-prone countries in the world. However, as you know, the importance of an international report and its scientific basis is very important for ascertaining the right scientific proven results. We in the Pakistan have put up a very good response yesterday. The earthquake happened at 2 o'clock of the local time, whereas all the statistics about the damages, which are still unchanged, were put up and compiled by 8 o'clock in just 4 hours. The social media, the people of the Pakistan, the media in general, and all the citizens contributed wholeheartedly, and we have learned a lot from our experience of 2005 earthquake. We have also learned from the recent earthquakes, the recent floods, and a very good response was put up, and a mere media report by a relegated channel in Pakistan must not be highlighted at international forum and IMC. The second is that whenever we report these statistics, I said methodological and scientific importance and intricacies are also important for all of us. We want to learn as to how these statistics have been formed, and secondly, to improve upon them in our own capacities and the capacity at forum like this. So as I expect, this report must contain the methodologicals for forming the ranking towards the disaster risk resilience, and if not, that must also be shared, please. We in Pakistan now have a lot of building code, a lot of infrastructure built up in the northern areas since 2005 earthquake, and I can say confidently that the yesterday's earthquake that was ranging between 8.2 and downside 7.7, which is the highest ever experienced earthquake by Pakistan in the present history. I don't know, something in the ice ages might have happened. So averaging between 7.7 and 8.2 is a massive earthquake. And against that, all the infrastructure been put in place post 2005 earthquake worked and stood by. So a lot of resilience has come in. Probably this was not known to the statistics been shown here, and this all facts must be incorporated. I thank you very much, and I really appreciate the UNESCAP's effort in putting up this report, and I again express my thanks to all of you for enabling us to really go a long way in understanding from this report, learning from this report, and then building up more resilience and more capacity towards disaster management. Thank you very much.